Here we go with another terrible voiceover. We're doing the Peyote stitch today. And, the even Peyote stitch. And for this, you're just going to take 2 beads of your choice. You're going to string it on the opposite tails and then pull it all the way down. Then you're going to take 1 bead, put it on both strings, and pull it all the way down, and it should look like that. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up now. Yay. So you're going to repeat this about 3 times, and then once you do the 3rd time, you're going to grab a bead and then place it on top of the last bead that you put and push it through one of the beads that's sticking out on the top row. And you're pretty much going to repeat this process over and over and over again. Yay! And you're going to keep going on one side until you run out of string. You don't want to run completely out of string, but like make sure once it gets too short to where you're going to run out, you're going to stop. So I'm going to do this off camera and then get back to you when I finish it. Yay! And that's also what it's kind of supposed to look like. So once you run out of string on one side, what you're going to do is you're going to repeat the process on the other side until you run out of string or you have the desired length of your wrist or the person's wrist that you're making it for. And you're just gonna repeat the process. It should be noted that the bracelet should fit like a puzzle once you go to put it together. And we're gonna speed this up. So once you're finished with that, you're going to take the string, you're going to string it across the other bead and pull it together. You're pretty much just going to do this pattern across the entire bracelet until you reach the end where you're going to tie it off like a normal Kandi single. Yay! So, I actually messed it up halfway through and, had to redo it, and that's what we're doing right now. I am really bad at this, I'm sorry. And once you get to the end, tie it off like a normal Kandi single. Make sure you tie it tight enough to where it won't fall apart, and then pretty much cut off the excess and you should be done. That's it for this. It should look like that when it's done. Peace, love, unity, respect. Bye.